Hey everybody, welcome to the Lavender and Bergamot Kitchen. My name is Danielle and I want to show you my all-purpose cleaning solution. I've been using this recipe for a lot of years. I don't remember even where I found it, but it has borax, vinegar, water, and tea tree and lavender essential oils in it, and that's it. And it's really economical to make. I get a spray bottle, fill it with about 3 cups of water. This is a little less than 3 cups because this whole thing is 24, but let's do that. There we go. And then this is that vinegar that we made with the oranges and the rosemary and the lavender. I have decanted it into this nice bottle that makes it easy to pour. I have also made a handy dandy label that tells me what is actually inside the bottle and a date for when I made it, so I know when I made it. And it's 3 tablespoons of vinegar. There's uno, dos, and tres. I like these little bottles, these little Boston round bottles, just because they pour really nicely. And oh, that's not the lid for that. That's the lid for the essential oil. And then I can keep that on under my sink. Handy dandy. And it's 1.5 teaspoons of borax, which is just a mineral that's mined actually in California. And it's 1.5 teaspoons of borax. And then we add 6 to 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree is, you'll find it in all kinds of cleaning products. That's about 10 drops right there. And it's 1/2 teaspoon of lavender essential oil. And I think, there we go. And you put the top on your spray bottle, and also make a label for this so you know what it is. Shake it up, get the borax to dissolve into the solution, and then this is your cleaning product for your countertops, your sinks, toilets, all surfaces. Unless you have granite or natural marble, those are the only caveats that I have for you for using vinegar, because over time vinegar can etch the surface of your natural marble and granite. This is not natural marble or granite, so I can use vinegar all over it. Thank you so much for coming to the Lavender and Bergamot Kitchen and for finding out more ways to learn about your cleaning kitchen and bathrooms with essential oils and other economical products that are friendly for the environment. Come back and visit us again soon. Thanks.